Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have to find out integer solutions for m and n. The question is m plus 2mn plus n is equal to 9. We have to find the values for m and n. How we can find? Here you can see that m and n are in product form. So we have to first, factorize it. Then we can get the solutions. But the question is, here m and here 2mn are there. We cannot factorize easily, because if you proceed in this way, suppose m into 1 plus 2 n, then n equal to 9. So if we are writing in this way, there is a lacking of coefficient of n, that is here you are seeing 2, but here we don't have coefficient of n as 2 and 1 extra with 2n, but here we don't have. So what we can do, first we need to put the coefficient of n as 2, then we need to put one more value 1 on both sides, then we would able to factorize it. So here what I am going to do, I am just going to multiply 2 on both sides to get the coefficient of n as 2. So here I am going to multiply, and it is coming 1 plus 2n, and we have 2n here, 2 to 9, that is coming 18. So now we are getting 2n, and one thing more, we have to put extra 1 on both sides. So I'm just going to put extra 1 on both sides to get the factor as 1 plus 2n. So here 1 plus 2n, and here I can write 1 plus 2n. I'm putting extra 1, that's why this 1 is also added on the right side as well. Now you can easily get the factors 1 plus 2n and 1 plus 2n. So we will have 1 plus 2n, and we have 1 plus 2m in this way, and here we have 19. So we have here prime number. So we can easily get the factors of prime number in this way. So here we can write 1 plus 2n, 1 plus 2n. Now we have 1 plus 2n into 1 plus 2m, that is we have here, I'm just going to make it factorize. So it is 1 into 19, and we can have also negative values. So negative 1 into we have negative 19. So this one is one factor, and another factor we have, that is here 1 plus 2n into 1 plus 2m, and this is giving us factors of 19 into 1 and negative 19 into negative 1 in this way. So this value is giving 1 plus 2n is giving 1, and 1 plus 2m is giving 19. So I am here putting 1 plus 2n is giving 1 over here, and 1 plus 2m is giving 19 over here in this way. In the same way, we have here negative values for 1 plus 2n is giving -1, and 1 plus 2m is giving negative 19. In the same way, we have this value 1 plus 2n is giving us 19, and 1 plus 2m is giving 1. In the same way, we are having negative values, so 1 plus 2n is giving negative 19, and 1 plus 2m is giving negative 1. So if you are having this group, so this group is giving us the value for n and m, and this value is giving also values for m and n. In the same way, we can calculate several values for m and n respectively. So let's calculate the values for m and n in this way. So values are here m for m, n and m. We are having these values in this way, that is, here n is giving us 0, and here m is giving us this is coming 18, and m dividing by 2, it is giving 9. So we are having values for n and m is 0 comma 9 over here, and here we have minus 1 minus 10, right, for this value, and here we have 9 and 0, just reverse of this, and here we have minus 10 and minus 1, and this is our solution. So this one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.